In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quote a message on the Skype application. So first of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open any browser you are currently using in your PC. Of course, once you opened it, make sure to go to the URL section and type download Skype, hit the first or hit the enter button, then go to the first link. Start downloading Skype into your PC, and once it's downloaded, you'll need to install it and open it. Then they will ask you to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you will have an option to create one from there. Make sure to do one of those two options so you can start watching this tutorial. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I would like to show you in this tutorial how to quote a message on the Skype application. So of course, if you want to do that, so from your chat, highlight any text within a message or multiple messages that you want to quote. Then you can copy the text by pressing Ctrl C or CMDC if you have a Mac, Ctrl C for Windows on your keyboard. And of course, you'd like to turn this feature on your settings. How can you do that? By simply clicking at your profile here at the top left corner. So I just changed the scene because you don't see that, but okay. Click here at this top three corner or three dots at the top left corner. Click at settings option, and this will open for you. And of course, once you are here, all you need to do, just go and click at messaging option. Here, turn the past copied message as quotes on. Make sure that this option is on. If it's off, you will not be able to quote any message. So once it's on, you will be able to do what I said earlier. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.